inside. Anytime now, race number 3. All set now, ready to race. Outstanding favorite. Bahala na. And the race on. Bahala na. From the outside, Bondi Junction. Final judgment is running by the alongside Jaden Diamond, Physiotherapist. Islam shot on the outside, Tobacco Profit Sharing. Down on the inside, Fearless moving up and rounding the far turn. Bahala na by about 2 lengths, followed by Final Judgment in second. Bondi Junction is running in third alongside, fourth by the Physiotherapist, Jaden Diamond, as they raise the last 450. Bahala na by about 2 lengths, followed now by Final Judgment. Physiotherapist down on the inside, Bondi Junction, Slam Shot, Jaden Diamond. Bahala na. Final Judgment. Fighting it out from the outside. It's now Final Judgment. Bahala na down on the inside. Final Judgment. Bahala na. And finally, Final Judgment. Bahala na. Physiotherapist, Islam Shot, and Jaden Diamond, Fentofecta.
Okay, 4, 7, 10, 12, 11 ating unofficial order of arrival. Crossing the wire first.